friends, I'm Gautam Dhanani. Welcome to my channel. This video will help all the people who are going to learn creo software. So I will start with the extrude features. So let us start. Let us take part name, example. You have to check part and solid. Disable this. Okay, here is the measurement unit, so let us take mmns part solid. Okay, first of all draw the sketch. Okay, so let us take sketch, select the plane, let us take front plane. Okay, sketch. To make the plane parallel to the screen, here is the option sketch view. Okay, let's take rectangle, center rectangle, escape. Let's take dimension 200 by 100. Okay, now let's take extrude. Okay, here is the length which you want to extrude. Let us take 50. Okay, here is option from where you want to extrude. Here is the, it is called blind. Here is, it is called mid plane extrude. So it will extrude from the mid plane, from up to both sides. So let us take 200. So 100 from the plane this side and this side 100. So total 200 mm. And third option is up to surface, which will not work because there should be one surface, but here is not any surface. That's why it will not work. So let us take blind for mid plane. Okay, this placement. Here is one option, two-sided option. That means if you want to give the different dimension on both sides, you can define here side 1. So you have to just take blind for that. So when you take the blind option, sorry, let us so if you want to edit, then here is option edit definition. So you have taken blind option, that's why in option it will enable the side 2. In side 1 let's take 100 mm. Okay, and side 2 is none. Select the blind, select 200 mm. So you can see the sketch has been extruded on side 1 up to 100 mm, and on side 2 it is extruded up to 200 mm. Here is one option, add taper. Okay, if you want to add taper, then you can select. Let us take a 5 mm taper. So you can see here the taper option. Okay, let us take a 10 mm. So you can see the changes. Okay, here is another, sorry, let us edit definition. Here is one option. Okay, that is the thickness option, surface. So sketch will become a sheet. If you want, then you can define define the thickness. Let us take 4 mm. So you can see, okay. Okay, if you want to give the color, let us take view appearance. Let's select the color, press Ctrl and select all the side. Activate. Not working. Let's take color. Okay. Press Ctrl, 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 Ctrl. Okay. Okay. Let's activate. Activate. Let's take model. Here is the, we can see the plans. If you want to disable the plan, let us disable this. Okay. If you want to see the isometric view, then you have to press Ctrl plus D. So this is the our isometric view. Okay. So this is the extrude feature. So you can extrude any sketch. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.